Hi guys, so today is my festival costume competition day and my talent night. And of course, I'm gonna take you guys with me because this is my last pageant before going on a summer trip. And I'm gonna compete with my two nails off. Hi guys, I am almost done with my makeup and I'll see you guys when I change. See you guys. Bye. Today is my pageant day. I'm gonna try my best to vlog everything. Kaya nahuyabi ko ya guys. Pero at the same time, ga-focus ko kasi hindi ko ka-vlog as much. So hindi ko bala ka-fantasy bala vlog ako. So, amo lang opportunity kung makamalambal. May mic ko or wala tao sa palibot. Hi guys, what's up? This is Yan Yan. I'm currently packing my things kay mapasikihor na kami later. Pero wala pa ako sinugudan with my pamiad and everything. I'm just sorting out what I'll be wearing. And funny thing is that most of my clothes that I'll be wearing sa sikihor are not mine. It's from my cousin. Kagina lang ako nagkato sila balay kag nagkuha sa anong pwede ko to kuha. So, wala ko man sila natistingan. Did not anticipate nga amo ni gali kadasig ang panahon. We're going to secure already. But it's nice because it has been cancelled for several times. And finally, malayon namang git siya. So, I'm gonna continue packing my things up and hopefully wala akong mabili ng mga essentials sa pagkatangadal ko pangadaan.
So, what's up guys? Sarili subong guys. Dapat ang manalin na is a 10 p.m. sa gabi. Pero ang ako nga tiya, ang origidugay, nag-feeling nga prinsesa sa mopos na kada mahindi, mopos na hindi. Pinabayaan na naman sa alas 10 nga series. Kita mo man, dami na sa gabot sa skior nga magumod-kumod sa kapoy. Kuha ko lang sa So, kanina guys, mabatsyag na siya, lain matsyag, biya na niya tiyawan ko sa skior. Guys, hindi na ako nilibalik ya. May gini data, mga nangagad mo yan.
So, luwatan, katong ganambala guys. Kaya daw hindi, gito sa bation, gagina sa mic. Istorya na yun naman, 10 p.m. malakat ang series. So, syempre, dapat alas 9, ari na kami. Wala, delay.
Sila yung vlog guys. Kita nyo yung series bang guys. So, amon ito na amon niya sakyan. Galing dito guys, ako niya tiya. Isa kayo siya shopping ya, kami nag-grab. Kaya siya shopping, hindi yung batiguro ang shopping ya, garuta. So, kaya namin guys, subungo ko po namin to. Wah, kita tayo mo, itama na yung video. Tani yan ang upolison lang.
Pwede nyo rin sa
It's currently 3 a.m.
and I don't know where we are.
Sharp right onto Flores.
Bruh.
The sunrise is so beautiful. Boy, aga na. Pag walang kalakad. Aamon nga ruro.
Kitiliwan. Gani. Kilid
Ay,
naman
nakakapaligo
to
si
yung ano.
Bambay. Wantala. Patay ng kagaw.
Kakas ng tiil.
Why na?
Doon niya
Ano na?
tayo maglala.
Ba't doon rap?
Why na?
Wala.
Ano lang nasa?
Hindi ko koreng na sao.
Magtumbukan na sa nga ano.
Ay, sa balibo.
Masaylo na kami. Somewhere. Oo, wala pang nabalo. We'll see you there.
Balon na lang sila na yung una na lang sila subong sa may kambuga. Ay, loadon na lang sila pagkabugdaw ta. Dire na.
Ano?
1K yan. May price yan. Amitin.
It's our day 2, y'all. And we're cooking. Good morning. We just ate our breakfast or lunch. It's brunch. And we're gonna go to Hambugahay Falls in a bit. We're just waiting for the others. Yeah. Bye. Tapos, uy, hinay lang.
Tapos nag-swimming.
How about you?
Swimming lang.
Swimming lang. Oh, yeah. Ha? Tingin ka na kadto?
Sa supa.
Suba? Pwede ka man dyan, boy. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Guba na ito. Napaka-aesthetic ko diya. Rap, hi man rap. Hi guys, I am currently editing this video, and if there's something that I realized is that first, I wasn't able to make an intro. Second, I wasn't able to make an outro. Third is half of the trip and my journey in pageantry, I wasn't able to film. During the first day, we went to, apart from the place that I showed you, we went to Palitan Beach as well, which wala na ako film because first gaaway kami, second lobat ko. And then on the second day, we went to Salagduong Beach, which personally was my favorite because it's a wide ocean full of corals and fishes, and then I was swimming sa tunga na wood. So of course, hindi ito makamadala, wala ako GoPro and everything else. And also, I met Ilyana Edwana, our ardent queen. Because I had so much fun that I wasn't able to film, or hindi ko na sometimes madumduman to get my phone and film this and that. Something that I'm hoping is that hopefully makontinue ko na vlogging era ko, especially school is coming and I wanna be productive and everything. Also, I love looking back sa mga memories and mga kaabnuan ko. I'm really hoping that I gain more confidence in terms of vlogging. Na-continue ko na siya because again, I love looking back sa mga memories and I love taking you guys with me also. A lot of my friends are looking forward sa mga vlogs ko. Thanks y'all. But anyways, I'll see you guys on hopefully my next video very, very soon. Yeah. Bye guys.